Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Capricorn. Okay, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Capricorn for the September 2020. What are the messages for you in the September 2020? What things are coming into your way? Okay, in the month of September 2020, I will pull some advice cards for you at the end of the reading from the Unicorns decks. And these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with you, so take the messages wisely. Whatever the messages resonating with you, that is for you, and whatever not resonating with you, just keep it behind. Okay, it is for some other people. Okay, if you want any personal reading with me, you can do that. I will share my contact details in the description down below. So we will start with the reading for the Capricorn. Okay, wow, and the bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands. Okay, at the month starting, so you are coming out of the defeat, the disloyal people. You has been come to know that things. Okay, some people are sneaky, some people was dishonest with you. Okay, you just has been left them out. Okay, cut them out, and you just has been celebrate your things. Okay, with your friends. Okay, this people has been, you just has been cut out all the people are in the starting of this month, September 2020. So 3 of Pentacles in reverse, it shows that there is some difficulty or some challenges in your commitment relationship, or the, if you want to take the things, whatever the things, career or family or love life relationship, you just want to take it at higher level, but there are some issues in the September 2020. So some things are this when this card is upright, you are able to do that effortlessly, but in September month you have some difficulty. Okay, because you was not focusing on yourself, you are not that much wise. Okay, you have to be focused on yourself, what you want basically before this leveling up. Okay, you have to be honest with yourself, you has to be wise, take the wise decision what you want. Okay, whether this person want, whether you want this person, whether you want this relationship, whether you want this career things. Okay, or for some of you, the people are not, they are very extrovert, but it is for them, they mean to be introvert. Spend time alone, meditate, heal yourself. Okay, then only you will find the clarity regarding this situation, whether to continue, whether to not, why the problem, how the problem you can face, overcome. Okay, Hermit is a major arcana. Okay, and it is the Virgo card. So this is the Virgo season, you have to be focused on yourself first, what you want. First you just have to look into yourself, soul searching, we can call it as a soul searching. You have to search what you want. Okay, because you it is very darkness in your, some of you, it is very darkness in your pathway, and this your intuitions are guiding you, and this, some people are not listening to their intuition, so you just have to listen to your intuitions, then only you come to know the situation, what is the answer of this situation. Okay, you don't want to manifest the things. Okay, I told you, it might be because some people are sneaky around you, you has been put them off. Okay, cut out them, and right now you are feeling low, you are feeling manipulative, you either you will manipulate some people, or someone is going to manipulate you. Okay, so you just have to focus on yourself. Okay, 9 of pentacles, it is the card of single, means abundant. Okay, it is a single, the lady is a single and she want to get mingle, she is ready for the marriage, she is ready for the commitment. Okay, you will come into this energy, even though in starting you will face some struggle, face some issues regarding communications, regarding some opinion. This might be some of you having the different opinion, because of that you are not able to seek the truth and you are not able to take the path what is going to be happen. So you just has to be with yourself. Okay, focus on yourself. Okay, then the Knight of Pentacles, the money offer is going to come to your life, or some person might be going to offer you the stable commitment offer. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, Princess of Charm and Prince of Charm. Okay, in the relationship, and you was not aware that offer is coming into your way, but this is going to come into your way. Okay, the darkness, I told you, the darkness, whatever the darkness was there, it is going to off after the healing period. As you go within, meditate yourself. Okay, spend some time alone, then you will able to seek the answers and that will guide you. This moon is going to reverse. Okay, the things will come into the light, which will be the wish fulfillment, because you, whatever you want, that is going to come true. Whether you were manifesting the situation, the relationship, okay, the marriage proposal. Okay, so this thing is going to be work out. You will see the results that these things are going to be work out. Okay, you will be feel confident, you will be feel confident, you will be feel abundant, and you will be in your courage, in your power. Luck will be in your favor. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, the sun is going to arise. Okay, you will cut out the people which are not serving you, the relationship, toxic people. Okay, the people who has been put you on the third party situation. Okay, and that is going to be again the Two of Cups. See, Two of Cups, the Six of Cups, you might be dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This might be your soulmate twin flame connection, which you will be ending with. Okay, see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, strongly in a sun, moon or Venus rising, that person or you. Okay, so the sun is going to arise, moon in reverse. Okay, see, the sunflower is here. Okay, this is the divinely guided connection. This is the divinely guided connection. You people might be dealing with the Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius person. Okay, that person will able to seek the truth and that person will able to take the action. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards for you. This sneaky people might be around in your work life. Okay, around your relationship life, the people who don't want to be you in this relationship. Okay, they are some of you, there might be the third party situation. It might be their parents, your parents, or communication gap in both of you. But the things at the end of September, I am able to see that the things will be work out in the mid September or to the late end of the September. Okay, please unicorns, let us know for the messages, guidance for the Capricorn, sun, moon and Venus rising sign of the Capricorn. Closeness, yes, the closeness is going to come here. Your unicorn is so close to you. Birth, be receptive to the new idea, child or situation. See, I told you new offer is going to come into your life, new offer, new career offer, business offer, commitment, okay, proposal, love proposal, or some of you might be the twin flame soulmate is going to come. The birth is there, okay. Some of you might be getting pregnant, some of you might getting the child, okay. See, this is the happy family card. There are kids, okay, playing. The rainbow is there. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. And the wishes, be careful what you wish for, because your wish is going to be granted. See, the Magician, which is in reverse. See, I told you, some of you are getting manipulation. You might be manipulate some people, or some people will be manipulate you, so you have to be take care of this, okay. And you will be focused what for on the manifestation, so your one of the wish is going to be granted. So careful while wishing anything, new ideas, new things. See, new ideas, new things, new situations, whatever you are manifesting, take care of while manifesting, because that is going to come true. So at the end of the day, when it is going to come to true, then you don't have to run away from that situation because of other issues. So you have to be clarity in your mind what you want, okay. Don't be indecisive, okay. Ask for universe help, what cup you want to take, okay. Then only you will feel joyful, okay. So this was your reading for the sign of Capricorn. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please share my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it to your friends and family, okay. So I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.